Save your tomato seeds. Welcome to Gardening with Ben. We're going to talk about saving our tomato seeds for next year down here at the allotment. As you can see, our tomatoes have done absolutely fantastic this year. We've grown a beefsteak one and we've grown the million variety of tomatoes. Now the best thing to do about saving the seeds is that because they've already grown in the UK climate, these varieties, and they've grown really well, if you save the seeds and plant them next year, you will get a great crop from them, because the seeds remember the climate that they've grown in this year and they will thrive off that climate next year, if you get me. So obviously we've had a hot summer this year, so hopefully it's hot next year, but they will thrive a lot better than sowing the seeds from the packets. And if you save the seeds from the tomatoes, you'll get absolutely hundreds of seeds out of a tomato, saving you a lot of money as well. My uncle always used to save his tomato seeds every single year, and he never bought any tomato seeds ever. He just continued growing the same seed year after year from the tomatoes that he grew, and his tomatoes were absolutely phenomenal. So if you're wanting to grow tomatoes next year, take off some tomatoes, a couple of tomatoes, take the seeds out, put them on some kitchen roll, dry them out and store them in a brown envelope, keep them dry and stop them from going mouldy, and save them ready for next year. Now I usually sow my tomato seeds around March time. You can start them from January, but they usually catch up as well. So I always start mine in March, and I'm up north in Yorkshire. So save yourself some money, grow some tomatoes and save the seeds ready for next year. And who knows how well your tomatoes are going to be. And if you're like me, I end up planting every tomato seed that I grow, and I end up with about 50 tomato plants. This year I've been pretty good. I've only got 6 tomato plants, but knowing my luck, my polytunnel will be full with about 50 tomato plants next year, because these beefsteak ones have been absolutely phenomenal, and the million ones have been absolutely amazing, and they go off the name of million, and they do produce absolutely loads of tomatoes on them. So yeah, let's get some off and let's get some saved, and we'll see if they grow next year. So these are the tomatoes that we're going to save for the seeds. Obviously we'll get millions out of these beefsteak ones, but like I said, they've been absolutely amazing this year. So I'm definitely going to grow more of the beefsteak next year. You don't get as many tomatoes on the plant, but I had a brilliant crop. So yeah, we're going to take some seeds out and we're going to grow quite a few beefsteak tomatoes next year. And we've got the million ones as well, so hopefully we get some decent million tomatoes next year as well. These are so juicy and sweet, so I highly recommend you growing them. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos, and then you'll see next year us sowing these seeds down here at the allotment. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.